Hi guys, this is Subbu Balaji and in this video I will be recommending a Malayalam film Joji which released on April 7 through Prime Video. It is written by Shyam Pushkaran and directed by Dilesh Pothan. The story inspired by William Shakespeare's popular play Macbeth. The plot revolves around a wealthy plantation owner, Kuttappan Kanakil, and his three sons living in a vast house in the middle of a plantation in the countryside of Kerala. Kuttappan Kanakil, played by Sunny Pian, a widower, a wealthy plantation owner who is very fit and very much in charge of the family affairs. He has three sons, Jomo, the eldest son, who aids him in agriculture in that estate, while Jason manages that business in town. And Joji, played by Fakat Fazil, who is running unsuccessful ventures, who's an engineering dropout. Binsi, played by Unimaya Prasad, is the wife of Jason, who's taking care of Poppy and the household chores. Joji manages to have a bond with Poppy and Binsi, who looks meek among his brothers and father. There is a pond dug in the family yard by the workers. Kuruttapan Panachi manages to pull out a heavy stuck wall in the pond but suffers a stroke in the process. Dr. Felix, played by Shami Tilakan, is a close relative to the family who discussed it with his fellow doctors and came to a conclusion that Kuttappan Panachal is paralyzed and that is very less chance of improvement in his condition. Chomon was very upset and other members of the family were not. They started to spend their money from their saving accounts without the consent of Kuttappan Panachal. This led a stress-free life for them. Um, then Joji used to uh, mock his dad, and then Jomo was very upset with his dad's condition, and then he arranges a very risky and a very costly surgery. After the surgery, it seems that there is some improvement in his condition. He used to before he was lying in the bed. Now he's in the wheelchair. So it seems that there is a bit of improvement, and he's recovering slowly. But Joji was very upset. Um, he stood up against his dad and asked him to step down. But Kuttapan Panachal manages to choke Joji by with his able left hand, and then uh, Joji decided to kill his father secretly uh, by replacing his daily medication with similarly looking pills. This is witnessed by Binsi, but both Binsi and Jason is wishing secretly for Kuttappan Panachal's death. So she didn't tell this to anybody. After that, I don't tell anything to you. You have to watch the film to know what happens next, whether the dad is alive or not, or what happens to Georgie after that. And you have to watch the film to know that. There are a lot of beautiful moments in the films, like the female Macbeth character is not a wife but a sister-in-law, and that's a particular scene where Binsi used to tell this to Joji that wear your mask and come down. It's not just safety precautions for COVID-19. It's also because that just hide your face, man. Just hide this face, okay? Means because everybody is wearing mask outside the house, but this guy is already wearing a mask inside the house, like that, but that is a virtual mask, okay? Nobody can see it, okay? So he's already wearing a mask, and now he's going to cover that mask. I think you have to watch the film to know what I'm saying. And then this film is a great example for a guy who did a mistake, and then he keeps doing a lot of mistakes just to hide the first mistake that he did. Yeah, so you did only one mistake, but that leads to these many mistakes. Yeah, and and then that creates a lot of chaos in his life, and he have to face the consequences afterwards. And then the technical aspects was very good. It was top notch. Like the cinematography from Shaiju Khalid was so good and so true to the universe, and the landscapes was absolutely brilliant. And then the music is the backbone of the film. Like he maintains Justin Verghese maintained silence in few places. That was absolutely good. And that is a particular scene where Joji used to run to a hill and come back. uh, while he was running, there is a symphony kind of orchestra who used to play. It was amazing, man. I think this is the best Justin Verghese background score I've ever heard. I think this entire film is best, according to me. And then everybody who acted in this film did a fantastic performance. Like Nimaya Prasad, Babu Raj, Sunny PN, they all delivered a fantastic performance. But one guy eat up everybody's performance, that is Fahad Fazil. Yeah, he is. Everybody knows that he's a scene stealer, but here he eat up everybody's performance. Like that's the scene in the post credits. Okay, this is not a spoiler. That is the scene in the post credits that he's used to say the doctors used to ask him to blink his eyes. You have to watch the film to know what he did. Okay, he just killed it, man. And that's it for the video. Just go and watch this film on Amazon Prime. And if you already watched this film, then share your opinions on the comment section. Or and if you didn't watch this, then go and watch the film on Amazon Prime, and then come back to the video and then mention it on the comment section. Um, then do like, share the video, and if you're not a subscriber of MSB Talks, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys.